Alright friends, we have arrived at the container class. We use it in this version 3 and its support continues in version 4 as well. So what is it for? It's for responsive design. It's similar to the Bootstrap container class. When I shrink the browser window and want my content to have a specific maximum width while still taking 100% width up to that limit, I can use a container. In version 4, I can customize the breakpoints. So, when I go to the responsive design, you will see SM, MD and other breakpoints that I can tailor. I could add a custom container variant like adding @SM, or I can set this up in the theme configuration, but the easier way is usually to reuse the existing container instead of customizing each size one by one. So let's see what happens when we actually use container. Okay, I come here, I add parent div. So inside it, I have one more parent div, and then I will have two text. I open first div and then I open p tag. I say lorem, and then I copy these and I paste here. Okay, great. And then for this parent div, I use flex. On the desktop view, I want flex row, MD, flex row, and then on the mobile view, I want it in a single line. So that's why I say flex call. Great. So for the main parent div, let's use container. I come here, I say container. So let's check what happens. I come here, so you see. So I inspect the element and then I come over the container. So you see, container applies this rule. It restricts max width for this view, and then I take it like that. You see it change. It restricts this container. And then I come to the mobile. There is no restriction. Container give width 100%. But in the I take it here. Desktop view, I have a problem. You see max width 96 RAM. So I have no margin, no restriction here. It contains full width. So for doing this, what I can do, I can use max width properties for this view, for desktop view. Okay, so I come here, I say LG for large items and above. I can use max width. I can say max width, for example, 7x large. It gives 1280 pixels. Great. So when I apply this, you see I restrict maximum width on the desktop too. So I take here and then I move my cursor. You see all view becomes good here. Great. I hope you understand the container logic. It's very similar to the Bootstrap container if you know Bootstrap. Great. See you in the next lesson.